Hola, clase. So today we're going to learn about noun adjective order. So we already know about noun adjective agreement, and what that is making sure that our adjective, in this case usually a color word, is agreeing with our noun, which in this case is usually a clothing word. So when we say la chaqueta es roja, both of those words have the same ending. So what I've done in this activity is I have color-coded those endings to help you kind of see visually what needs to be changed. Okay? So now we're going to learn about noun adjective order. It's opposite from English. So the way that we structure our sentences in any language is called syntax. And in Spanish, the syntax for expressing something like a red jacket. So in Spanish, we say, instead of saying red jacket, we would say jacket red. So that change in order is a change in syntax. So chaqueta roja means red jacket. So you can see here that chaqueta and roja both end in an A. So what you're going to be doing here in this video is I'm going to walk you through several steps, and then ultimately it's your responsibility to type in Spanish how they would communicate red jacket. So you're going to think to yourself, jacket red, okay? So today I'm going to be giving you the words like this. So now put it in Spanish, chaqueta rojo. So I'm giving you both the jacket word and the color word for red. But what you do need to know is for tomorrow's activity, you're going to have to look up either one or both of those pieces. So now you need to change rojo to match chaqueta. So you're going to change the blue ending of rojo to match the red ending of chaqueta. So they're both the same. And that is what you're going to type into the answer bar. So what you should type into the answer bar is chaqueta roja. So for all of the activities today, you should be typing in two words, the noun and then the color. And you need to make sure that both of them are in agreement. So here is the first one that you're going to be typing in. Think to yourself, t-shirt yellow. Now, how do we say that in Spanish? Camiseta amarillo. So now you need to change amarillo to match camiseta. So type that into the answer bar. So you should have typed camiseta amarilla. So both of those things match. They both have the A ending. Think about what you typed in. Was it close? Did you type in both of the words? Did you maybe forget to change amarillo to amarilla? So use that reflection right now to change or modify anything you need to as we continue on in this activity. So here, el suéter. We don't have this word on our vocab list, so I gave it to you right here. So think to yourself, sweater brown. Now put it in Spanish, suéter marrón. So I didn't highlight anything here because suéter and marrón, neither of them end in an O, so we don't have to change anything. So type in brown sweater in Spanish. Think shoes, blues. Now put it in Spanish. Zapatos, azul. Now we need to remember that azul is a little different because it ends in an L, and we need to make it plural by adding an ES, so it should be changing to azules. Type in your answer. Think to yourself, dress black. Now put it in Spanish. Vestido negro. Does anything need to change? Or do they already agree? Type in your answer. So here, think to yourself, t-shirt white. Put it in Spanish, camiseta blanco. Now change blanco to match camiseta. Think socks white. Now put it in Spanish. So here I included the los in front of calcetines because calcetines doesn't have an O in it. So we need to use the article in front of calcetines to figure out if it's masculine or feminine. So here it has an OS. I've color coded it blue, so we know that it's masculine, okay? And the S means it's plural. So now you need to change blanco to match calcetines. Okay, you need to make blanco plural. So go ahead, type in your answer. What you should have typed is calcetines blancos. So if the color word or adjective ends in an O like blanco, it's never going to be changed to blanques with an ES. So the ES in calcetines is because calcetin, the word for one sock, ends in an N. So words that end in an N, like marron, and words like azul, that end in an L, get made plural with an ES. But the word for white, blanco, is made plural with an S.